Hello and welcome to Matt's Garage. So today we're going to be doing something just for fun. I'm just going to be taking these razor blade scrapers, two of them, and trying to butt weld them together. And I've noticed a lot of people on the Facebook welding groups have been doing this just for fun with their TIG welders. So I wanted to see how nice of a job I could do with my MIG welder here. So here we go. So I'm going to be running my 140 amp Lincoln MIG pack welder. It's just the cheaper welders that you buy from the hardware store, and it works great for me. That's what I use for everything. I've gone ahead and made sure I have a good contact tip in here. I've recently changed it, and I cleaned up my my cup here, my tip, really nicely. And so yeah, let's just get started here. I've got some compressed air that I'm going to use to cool it as we go. So I'll start in the middle. Just gonna establish a ground. Ooh. Okay, so the first one's not too pretty here, but okay, so this is about attempt number 8, and I'm about ready to give up. This is not easy, but I still think it can be done. But there we go, that's pretty darn good. In fact, it was about perfect until I got right down to the end. So I'll go ahead and clean that one up as well so that you can see it cleaned up. I don't know if I'll try another now that I've got the hang of it, but well, this was just a fun little Saturday afternoon activity for me here. Wanted to challenge myself a bit, and I did for sure. So that's not really as good as I would have hoped for. I was hoping to match the look of a TIG weld, but not quite there. Really pushing the limits of my MIG welder here and what it's intended to do, but still you can see that's pretty uniform on the back side. Here's some of my practice pieces here. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and have yourself a great day.